haka jing bet ba ka bakraw haka liang ka jing dei bat kari diplomatic development ka Iran kala ailat ya ka jing ya lenti ka basok ya ka lieng jong ka India ka bakit 10,000 metric ton ka LPG lingba ka Hormuz Strait ka badon kambha ya ka liang ka thma ka lieng kit LPG ka bakar teng shivalik kadang sha sinrant menta ha ka Indian Navy ka bapintikna ya ka jing ya lenti ka Shngaiñ jong ka lieng hapadeng ka jingjor bat ka jingklumar ha ka than West Asia kitalong kubor kipin ba kaway pat ka lieng ka bala pendap da ka LPG kadang pen kre banlet sya ka India hapo ka hinriu kenta banwan ka bapin pau ya ka jing etray lang ka baklan hapadeng kiri.
Huge. In a significant development during the ongoing Middle East conflict, Iran has allowed Indian-flagged LPG tanker Sivalik carrying around 40,000 metric tons of cooking gas to transit the strategic Strait of Hormuz under Indian Navy guidance. A second Indian vessel is expected to begin sailing toward India within hours. The move comes amid a wider disruption of global shipping routes after military escalation involving Iran, the United States, and Israel.